Hello everyone, this is Junaid Butt from Big Dream Customs, and today I'm very excited to bring to you a brand new build of 2012 Vrod Muscle Anniversary Edition. This one is very tastefully built. I cannot wait to show you. Let's get right into it. Let's go. So we'll start from the front. Front fork covers, triple trees, everything powder coated gloss black. You got inserts, Vrod decals in there. Calipers, powder coated Ferrari red. To match the paint, grills are also painted white. Brand new rubbers, front, back, 130 in the front, 260 in the back. These are Metzler's. Powder coated rims. Pinstriping done on both the wheels. Matching red everywhere. Pearl white paint job done. Beautiful in person. Brand new custom body. Custom mirrors. Custom grips. Custom pegs. Custom exhaust. Clutch side. Big Dream custom cover. This is a Muscle. So as you know, Muscle engine is silver. The head covers are chrome, and so is the swing arm and all the oil pans. They're all silver. It's a complete build frame up. So the engine is OEM Harley textured paint done. All the head covers are gloss black powder coated. All the screws on this bike, every single bolt, every single screw is gloss black powder coated. Then front chin spoiler with inserted mesh to match the whole bike. Mesh in the airbox cover as well. Harley Davidson decals. Gas tank scoop covers. Custom seat. Custom double stitched red and white to match the bike. Suede and leather. On all the Big Dream custom builds, I put nothing but the best R-Knots. R-Knot air suspension. The bike goes up and down with one touch of a button. Gloss black underneath. Custom billet 3-in-1 turn signals. Running turn signals and brake light. This is also a running and brake light. Side mount license plate holder. Dual TOS exhaust. All the dome covers custom made from Big Dream Customs. Ceramic coated heat shields. 1.25 inch drag bar. Again, dome covers on these as well. Livers, gloss black, every single thing. Matching grips, risers, front LEDs. These ones are beautiful LEDs running, as well as turn signals. As you can see there. There you go. Sequential turn signals, front LED headlight. It's a complete package. Like I said, very tastefully done. Killer glass done. Yes, red LED. XL covers. It is a complete package. Looks beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments already while shooting this. Let me start the bike up for you. This sounds amazing. This is dual side exhaust. Fully customized, sounds amazing. Wow. So this concludes my video. Please do not forget to share and hit that subscribe button. This means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.